Good morning, everyone. My name is Deepa Chauhan from Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. Today we have discussed about the most important question of a BTech first year from chemistry in the preference of Aktu. Now, draw the molecular orbital diagram of NO molecule. Explain the bond order and magnetic behavior. Second, discuss any four principle of green chemistry. Explain the conventional and green roti synthesis of paracetamol. Illustrate any five principles of green chemistry and the give of green synthesis method of preparation of paracetamol. This is basically this is basically made up of paracetamol. Now AXY2 molecule have a bond order 2.5 purpose possible energy level diagram with electron configuration of this molecule also explain its magnetic characteristics also. Now the other question is what are liquid crystal? Brief describe the different type of liquid crystal. Give any application. Describe the structure and application of graphite and fluorines. Explain the reason for electrical and lubricant property of graphite. Now we will proceed from unit 2 of this electronics. A symmetrical substitutes compound having even number of cumulative double bond enhance optical isomerism, whereas compound having odd number of double bond exhibit geometrical isomerism. Explain giving problem region. Now we will proceed from other why tetramethyl silicate is used for reference in NMR spectroscopy. Give the number of H. Now we will proceed from Unit 3. Unit 3, the first question is define the term corrosion. Describe the mechanism of electromagnetic corrosion with the help of hydrogen evolution and oxygen absorption reaction. How it can be prevent using a certification in abiotic protection. Now the second one's question is discuss the constituent and chemical of charging and discharging of lead acid battery. What are the constituents of cement? Discuss its manufacturing process with the mechanism of salting and hardening of cement. Explain why a pure metal rod half increase with vertically in water state corroded at the bottom. Now we will proceed from Unit 4. Unit 4. The question is what is the characteristics of good fuel? A sample of oil containing 92% of carbon, 5% of hydrogen, 3% of S. When this coal was tested in laboratory for this calorific value of 1 calorimeter, the following data are obtained. Weight of coal 1 0.95, weight of water taken 700 gram, water equivalent of calorimeter to 2000 gram, rise of temperature 2.46, cooling correction 0.05, fuse of correction 10 kilo acid correction जितना और calculate the net and gross calorific value of the coil in calorie per gram. Assume the latent heat of corresponding of steam is 580 kilogram per second. Now this is basically one type of very important question. If you know the formula of this question, then you can solve. This is basically in 2 or 3 lines. This is very most important question, and this is also the most important. And this is also one type of most important. But you can solve only this question if you have memorized the formula. Then you can solve. Otherwise, you cannot solve this. because there are many mistakes occurring on this. Explain the process of sludge and scale formation in boiler. How you can be prevent this is one type. Now we will proceed from Unit 5, a most important question. What are organ metallic compound? How granular reagents are prepared? Write any four synthetic application for Gignard reaction. Or differentiate between thermosetting and thermoplastic polymer. This is all about of Unit 5, and there are many other have also in like nylon, carbon, nylon 66, and many other in this point 5.